Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So right here we got Ruby, and then right here we have Manny's G35 with a G37 front end that we are doing. So if you guys have not seen, go check out these videos. They will be up on my channel, so you guys can check that out. We have brand new Fly 1 carbon fenders that we cut up because we're going to be using the back end of these for the G35 part that lines up with the door and the A-pillar. So more videos to come on that, but today's video is not about Manny's car. It is going to be about Ruby. So we got Ruby right here looking all nice and damn, that's a big booty. So we're going to be doing a complete makeover on the exhaust. Motor is still stock, so more to come on that, but right now we have her right here just chilling. A little dusty, it's been windy, but she looks so damn good. Look at that. So we're going to be putting a full MOTORDYNE exhaust now. So we'll be full MOTORDYNE from the ARP pipes back. So huge shout out to Rommel for supplying the MOTORDYNE exhaust. All right, but before we do that, we're going to move this car out of the way so we could be working on here. And so we're going to move this one here, that one here. So let's get to it, and then I'll get you guys a cold start up on Ruby so you guys can hear how she sounds with the current setup that she has, which is MOTORDYNE ARP pipes, MOTORDYNE resonated white pipe, muffler delete with another resonator. So that's the exhaust setup that it has as of now. Right, there we have it. We got Ruby right here now, and we got the full MOTORDYNE exhaust right here as well. So I know exhaust is pretty dirty. I bought it used from Rommel, so I was gonna clean it up, but it's just too much to do. Besides, you know, you can't really see most of it, and then the diffuser covers basically everything except the tips. So I'm just gonna end up cleaning the tips up a little bit, and then we should be good with that. First off, we have to remove the diffuser to begin with before anything else. So this diffuser is only mounted by 4 points. So this is what we got to remove first, which is these 10mm bolts and then these brackets in the back, as you can see right there and right there, those brackets. So those need to come off, and then we can get started. All right, so this is what the current exhaust looks like. Just basically muffler delete. Yep. A resonator, MagnaFlow high flow resonator, and then we got the MOTORDYNE white pipe with the MOTORDYNE resonator. So technically speaking, I don't even have to remove that white pipe. That white pipe is exactly the same as the one that we are going to put on. All we have to do is just remove the resonator and then start from there back. Exhaust is basically out. I just need to undo it from the hooks.
Pretty loud.
Here we have it. Muffler delete with the resonator. It's off. Look at the difference in piping. Small ass pipes, huge 2.5-inch pipes. That's like a 2-inch or 1.5. So maybe we could get bigger flames. Oh, yeah. So technically speaking, we don't need the white pipe, since the white pipe that I have on there is already the exact same one. So we just need the mid pipe, these, and those two. And from here on, it's just V clamps, so we don't gotta worry about anything else. Alright, so there we have it. MOTORDYNE exhaust. Damn, this thing got pretty warm right away. MOTORDYNE. Yep.
There you have it, and then that.
Alright. So we're gonna do a quick rev up so you guys can hear the exhaust, and then we're gonna be doing the flame app as well. Alright, so this is just normal revs. Alright, so there we have it, guys. That is going to be the end of today's video. Ruby looking all clean. G37 front, G35 rear, which is the same thing we're doing to Manny's car right here. Yep. MOTORDYNE. And we got Marsh right here too. Green Ranger G. With the MOTORDYNE as well. Well, that is going to be the end of today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.